Hello friends, welcome to Java tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the switch statement. First, let's take a look at the definition. A switch statement is a statement which is used to check multiple conditions at one time. Switch is multi-way branch statement. Switch is alternative version of if-else-if statement. We already studied nested if in previous tutorial. This switch is same as that nested if, but there are some differences between if and switch. Let's take a look at the differences. Difference between if and switch. In if condition, loop exit automatically, whereas in switch keyword break is used. Logical conditions are used in if, whereas switch checks the expressions only. Now let's take a look at the general form of switch. If you want to apply the switch, you have to use this general form. In this general form, switch is a keyword. Expression can be any of primitive types. Cases can have any number of cases. Value of the cases must be same as the data type of expression. Value of the case must be compatible with the data type of expression. Default case, it wouldn't have any value. It has only a single statement. Let's take a look how this switch statement is working. First, the value of the expression is matched with the each case value. If match is found, then that particular statement will be executed. If none of the match found, then the default statement will be executed. The default statement is optional. Break is used to terminate the statement sequence. Now, let's take a look at the example of switch statement. This is the example of switch statement. Here, the month is the variable of data type integer. Its value is 9. Here, the month is used as expression. In this example, there are 12 cases, and each case have the integer value. In the switch statement, first the month variable is matched with the case 1, but the match is not found, so it will go to the second case. Still match is not found. Then this process will continue, and at the case number 9, the value is also 9 of the case which is matched with the month variable. So this statement will be executed. Let's check the output. Here the compiler successfully compiled our program. This is our output of the program. So I hope now you have clear idea about the switch statement.